Alright. I'm just kidding.
We are gathered here today to bless the souls of these canvases, dear Jesus Christ. Bless the people who created these. Bless our hands. We're going to produce beautiful pieces of artwork. We pray this in your name. Amen.
Amen.
¿Qué onda mi gente? ¿Cómo andamos el día de hoy, chicos? ¿Cómo estamos aquí? ¿Cómo está la raza aquí? A ver, Welcome back, guys. It's been a minute since I filmed a video. I think it's been like 2 years. It's been about 2 years since we filmed a video. But we are back today, finally. Today I am joined by some of my closest friends. I have Andrea over here and Miss Melissa to my right. For those of you that don't know. Para los que no sepan, we've been friends for like since birth.
Yeah,
Literally, I've known these girls since our entire lives.
Our wombs.
Yeah, since
I mean, not our wombs. Our mama's wombs.
We were neighbors. We grew up together. You know, we're like family here with blood.
Hell yeah,
know?
blood. We blood. Hell yeah.
So today we decided to film a video for you guys. We're gonna be following a painting tutorial. We'll see how that goes. We're gonna paint on these beautiful canvases that we bought here today. Sponsorship by Walmart. Just kidding. But you should sponsor me.
Video sponsored by Walmart.
Hashtag sponsor.
Not really, but like Walmart, please.
Yeah, so what are we going to be painting today?
So we're painting a beach sunset today, everyone. And we're doing that for beginners.
For beginners.
And
so that means you can follow this tutorial at home too.
Yeah.
All right, let's get this started. We'll see how it goes. We'll be showing you guys progress as we go, and yeah. Best of luck to you guys.
Yeah, honestly, we're a little advanced in painting, so don't try to be like us because
you can't.
You can't.
All right.
All right, now that we're prepared.
So here I'm using brush number 10.
Brush number 10 right here.
Start applying lemon yellow color, please.
Make sure it's 10.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with some yellow.
11. Yellow. And
A little bit of yellow.
And it was all yellow. Yeah.
See, no? See, no?
Oh my god, I had one job.
Oh, because she has 2 shades of yellow.
Oh, she does?
No, you do. A ver, pausa.
Is that good? I think she's just going like this. And that's what I see a lot of artists do this. So,
all my friends, all my artist friends, you know?
Artist friends.
Rotating movement.
I need more orange.
With some little clouds. Y'all see that?
I see it.
Oh shit, is that pink or red?
Well, I don't know.
Apparently.
Well, apparently it's like somewhere in between like pink and red. Apparently I've never been on live television before. I've never ever been on live television before.
Apparently.
Apparently. Now if you add some water,
yeah, that's what I was just doing.
you can blend it.
Yeah, baby.
Really? Yeah, baby.
Damn, she put some blue up in there.
Right.
Damn, we really need to.
Wow. Wait, is the red all the way to the back?
Yeah, dude, she like added some blue already. Like, I'm like, what the fuck? Or was that black?
Hold up.
I didn't even know we had blue. Oh my gosh, we do have blue.
Shit. Pass me a napkin.
Wait, there wasn't any in the yellow, right? Melly's first cloud all the yellow.
What? Your clouds look like warm, so shut up. Ugly ass noodle head.
I'll ruin your makeup.
Pásame una servilleta, güey. Al rato se pelean. How did you come up with that color?
With that one in black.
Me aloca el roce de tu piel.
The fuck is this
so
really
chico.
coming out?
Presente tu ayer. We should download the app and record ourselves.
Dude, yeah.
What is it, like TikTok or what?
No. Smule.
Wow, what happened?
I'm also having
What
some
happened?
coffee and
Why ora?
What? How did that happen?
I tried to make that color and it just came out like really bad.
Oh my god.
But Wada fixes everything.
You're right, you're right.
Oh, she does appear and stuff too, huh?
Huh?
The lady does like appear and stuff.
Appear?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean appear?
Like,
What does that mean, bro?
she does appear. Hit the blood. Hit the blood. Like she appears or what, bruh? Like, when are we gonna see her, bruh? Is that part of the experience?
Andrea, I think what you mean is a pear.
Appear. 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 A beer.
Up here, a beer, a deer.
A deer walks into our YouTube video right now. What?
What the fuck?
Did you guys call my name?
Did you get my name? Okay, guys, you guys have to talk like the Kardashians.
Oh, yeah. That'll be
I don't know how. Teach me, teach me.
Ah!
Oh
My god. Yesterday, Andrea was like,
What did we even hang out yesterday?
no, we didn't because you went with Anna.
Oh yeah.
And you totally like ditched me. Like
Like los labios los
Bible.
haces. And then
Like,
Kylie's
really
more
rich
like, oh my god, Kylie. The fuck, how did she do it?
oh my. No, she's like,
She does do it.
my name is Jeff.
Así, güey. Ya atinaste.
Oh my god, how I almost ruined my whole fucking painting. Yeah, totally.
It just gives it a different texture.
Yeah,
Oh.
totally. Like, I totally get it. Like, I've never felt more connected to nature than I do right now. Thank you
Parece que
for
se sopló las manos, man.
thank you for this that I shit myself.
Oh, that's the beer you're talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Is that the beer you're talking about? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck, bro? I totally missed it, bro. Like, I'm so into my painting, bro. Like, totally into it. And, like,
Yeah.
that's hilarious.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun.
We don't care who
sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
I was gonna clean my room.
But then I got home.
Yeah, and then I forgot what it was.
Like, oh.
2,000 years later.
I'm kidding.
We have finished our paintings, so now we're gonna reveal them to you, beautiful audience.
Beautiful souls. Beautiful crowd.
Feel
Beautiful
the
energy.
energy.
Damn.
You guys are
You're my brother from
vibing.
another mother.
Bring it in, bro.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Feel the energy.
Yeah.
Yo también te queremos, amiga.
Solo porque salí ya después, pero.
Maite perrona.
On
Yes.
the count of 3, we're gonna reveal the paintings.
Uh-huh.
You guys can let us know in the comments who y'all thinks is best. I mean, we already kind of know who the winner is. Just kidding.
Burger.
They won't be sad. Like, they're really cool. They won't get mad that you guys picked me.
Ugh.
All right, ready?
1,
2,
2,
3.
¡Tada! ¿Qué opinan? Déjenos saber en los comentarios.
Creo que yo gané, la neta.
¿Qué les pareció? O sea, ¿qué opinan? ¿En qué lugar del mundo creen que fue inspirada esta obra de arte? ¿A qué les recuerda? ¿Qué emociones les provoca? O sea, ¿qué memorias les surge en su cerebro? Por favor, déjenos saber en los comentarios y llámenos ya al 1-800-423-3398 para su consulta.
I was like convinced. I was like, wait, we have a number.
Señoras, usted que nos ve por allá en casita, usted que está cansada de tanto limpiar, de lavar trastes, márquenos por aquí en casita. Nosotros tenemos la solución. 1-800-443-3232. ¿Cuál es el número, amiga?
1-800-423-2455. Sí, ya está cansada. Si está cansada de ver a su pared gris, marque ese número y le mandaremos una de nuestras
Por
pinturas.
solo $2,000
Ajá.
le podemos cambiar su vida.
Y si marca ahora, recibirá un segundo cuadro completamente gratis, señora. Pero llame ya. ¿A cuál número, amiga?
Al 1800-432335.
Llame ya.
Yes. That was like the best outro.
Si les gustó este video, amigos, no olviden de suscribirse, darle like, dejar un comentario, compartir este video con toda la raza, con toda la pandilla, con toda la plebada.
Con Walmart.
Sponsor me.
How do you
Walmart.
do a W?
I was doing this.
Walmart.
No, I was doing this.
Sponsor us, Walmart. Sí, ¿y qué más?
Pues nada, que
Compartan,
tengan
compartan,
lindo día.
dejen unos comentarios, denos like, por favor.
Por favor.
Aquí estamos tratando de sobrevivir, de agarrar el pan de cada día, por favor.
Por favor.
Ayúdenos.
Ahora sí, vamos por unos tacos.
Y ahora sí vamos por los taquitos. Gracias, amigos, nos vemos. Hasta luego, mi gente.